This is a Gateron black switch. Now I've wanted to try this for a very long time, and I thought, what better candidate than the Magic 468, a $20 keyboard that natively has Altimu browns. And that gave me the idea of this series, which is going to be turning a $20 keyboard into the dream mechanical keyboard. Let's get into it. Before we do get started with this video though, I do need to quickly say that this video was sponsored by MechBoards UK. They reached out to me, really friendly, great prices, great service, and I can highly recommend them. Their link will be in the description below, check it out. Hello everyone, Will here from BubVisuals, and today we're in my shed for a rather cool project that I have been teasing on Twitter for a little while. So I've completely finished desoldering all of the switches from this keyboard. We're left with just the PCB and the stabilizers, and now we're going to start, in fact I have already started soldering in some of the Gateron blacks, but now we're going to solder in the rest. So in terms of the result, I am extremely pleased with the Gateron black switches, as they're a lovely smooth switch with an excellent force curve that I highly appreciate. In fact, they kind of remind me of vintage blacks because of how smooth they are. They're really that good. So good, in fact, I can't really see myself going back to cherry blacks anytime soon. Now before I go, I'm just going to play some of the best glam footage I managed to get at this keyboard. The next part will be coming out in 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. There's one thing left to say, and that is goodbye.